Alam mo yung feeling na sobrang busy mo as a mom hanggang sa sarili mo nakakalimutan mo na rin. Ganun ako dati from morning hanggang gabi alaga sa anak. Gawaing bahay, at work, and content creation. Lahat sabay-sabay hanggang napansin ko na ang nipis na ng buhok ko at madali na itong mabali. Pati yung mga nails ko madali na rin siyang mabali at parang pagod ako palagi. Lalo na yung skin ko looks tired, no? Kaya I told myself na kahit maliit lang, mag-start na ako taking care of myself again. That's when I tried this biotin gummy. Super simple lang, 2 gummies a day, every morning. Parang snack lang siya, walang hassle, walang pilitan. Perfect talaga for moms na laging on the go. Biotin is known to help support healthier skin, healthier hair and nails from within. And as a mom, ang gusto ko lang naman is something easy pero may magandang effect over time. At hindi lang yan. Ang ating biotin, hair, skin, and nails nutri expert ay merong metabolism support, our healthy neurological function, which may support cognitive processes. Hindi ito magic overnight, pero with consistency, mapapansin mo din yung changes. Mas magiging confident ka na ulit. Kahit simple things lang yan, like seeing your hair look healthier or your nails getting stronger. Kasi at the end of the day, hindi selfish ang mag-alaga ng sarili. It's actually necessary. Mama, you deserve this too. Start small, take care of yourself, one gummy at a time. Go na! I-check out nyo na. Ilalagay ko dito ang link para makapag-order kayo.